Steve here for Unbox Fresh, and in this video I'm unboxing a Plusnet router. Okay, so let's get this unboxed. So this has come about 3 or 4 days before my broadband should kick off. I'm going to be on that Infinity More Broadband Extra, Infinity Extra, whatever it's called, Unlimited I think it's called. I don't know. So my address is on that side, which you're not going to see. So you want to open the flaps here, guys. Be very careful when you open flaps because they can kill. So you just get a box of sort of telecommunications porn here. So you get one of those, a thingy cable. This is an ADSL filter, which is what that does is it filters out your ADSL phone line extension type thing, which is probably about 2 meters. Well, you get one of these, which is a Ethernet cable, looks probably about 1 meter long. You get a plug, random plug, which I assume goes on this. Yep, so this is like a click it in. There we go. So you've now got a power supply. That is a Sagecom switching power supply. You've got instruction manuals, which no one cares. Let's get connected, your setup guide to a faster internet experience. So let's go through this. Before you begin, so internet cable, white, handy reference card. So you could probably freeze frame this if you really do care. Wait 5 minutes, yeah, plug it all in. So yeah, it's got the same back stuff as the BT Hub 6, I think I've got Hub 5. So if you're using Hub 5 BT, then you'll be fine with this, I think. Plusnet, yeah, great, exciting. And a sheaf of paper there, which, you know, let's be honest, no one cares. So I'm going to take out my password, which you're not going to see. That's off camera. So there we go. There's you get a bag there. You can use that bag for maybe a bag for life or something. So we got these. Quite cool. It's like pinball. It's like a really rubbish pinball game. Pink legs. Sexy pink legs there. Broadband DSLR. Gig Ethernet. Broadband WAN. USB. Reset. Power. So you plug your power supply in there, I think. Yep, clicks in. You've got restarts. Wireless WPS. I tend to, if I do need to restart my router, if I've got internet problems, I just do it. So you've got a sticker here. Just a random sticker stuck on there, on this bit here. Not sure what that is. So it's basically the BT Hub 5, but in white. So there we go. Thanks for watching this exciting video on a router.